Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to add icon based snippet from the website editor. So let's see about that, how it works. You can see here module, their website icon snippets. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to website. On top right corner display here this edit button. Now click on this button and provided here icon snippets under this block section. Now click on this, and under this icon snippets category available all icon display. When you scroll down, then available all type of icon. Just select and add to your website. If you want to modify this, then easily select this text and customize under this customize tab. You can change here layout, background color, content width, height, icon size. Also change here header size, text color, style, etc. Also change here icons, upload image, documents, and also add here URL for the videos. Below also provided icon snippet, just drag and drop here and easily add it to your website. Provided different layout for this icon. So using this our app, you can create your customization website faster without any code. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.